Did you know you can still receive an offer from a dealership for your trade-in without leaving the comfort of your own home? With some photos and a few details, they have enough information to put your car on TradeRev, a real-time digital dealer-to-dealer auction so that you can receive money to put towards your new car purchase. We're going to walk through what photos you need to start the process of trading in your car. First, move your car to a spot where you can walk freely around it. Start with taking a shot of the driver's side of the car and make sure each picture contains the entire car. Then take a picture of the rear of the car. Next, take a picture of the passenger side of the car. Now take a picture of the front of the car. Now it's time for the beauty shot. Take a picture of the left front corner of the car. This is your main shot, so make it look good. Next, take a closer picture of one of the wheels. Open the front door and take a picture looking into the front seat area. After that, look for a sticker on the inside of the door frame with a barcode, known as the vehicle identification number. Get a nice focused picture of the barcode and any other stickers around there. Now take a seat and start the car. Wait for all the dashboard warning lights to turn off and take a picture of your instrument cluster. Remember to include your odometer so it's easy to see the current mileage on your car. Take a picture of your center console and that's it for your main photos. Now walk around the car and take close-up pictures of all the damage you can find. Place your finger in the picture for scale. Do not be afraid to reveal all the damage on your vehicle as this is expected with trade-ins. And that's it. Send in the photos along with your car details to your dealership and be one step closer to that brand new car.